The Guy Bordeaux Scholarship started when my husband passed away. I was looking for a way to honor his commitment to AMUG. I don't know where the idea came from, but I'm glad it did. It was sort of an inspiration, and we did run with it, and we've had tremendous success. Since 2014, we've had several recipients. My scholarship deals with students in the industry. They can be in a PhD program or a bachelor program, whatever. We cover everything, their transportation, their registration, the hotel. Specifically, we're looking for people in North America that hopefully are going to come into the organization and grow with it. And we have had some incredible recipients that have continued on to take on all sorts of roles to get jobs within the organization. They come back year after year. They support several of the other committees, and it's exactly the kind of legacy I was hoping for him. Now, I've been lucky enough to have additional sponsors. Eventually, it became a little bit more financially restrictive for me, but it was so successful that we did get SimQuest came in and took over the program for my students, and that's been great, but I kind of still work with them all. And we have several this year that are back. Many of them come back year after year after year, and that's really great. That's exactly what I wanted for them to become part of this, and that's worked. So
we have set up the scholarship committee specifically for students and faculties to be recognized for the work they do. It gives us an opportunity to cherish the memory of two individuals who have supported the AMUG platform, Guy Bordeaux and Randy Stevens, and this scholarship is in their honor. Every year since 2014, we've been awarding a free ride to AMUG for an exceptional student and an exceptional faculty so as to celebrate their work and their accomplishments in the field of AM. We generally get about 30, 40 entries that come in, and there's a scholarship committee that takes and screens all these achievements and accomplishments. And we get wonderful support from the academic community, and it presents them a platform to really take forward their work and presenting it to a broader audience in the industry.